today is for all of you chocolate lovers out there. We're going to be preparing a Brazilian dessert called Brigadeiro. It's very easy to prepare, just blend together. It's few simple ingredients. Bake it in the oven and enjoy this silky, smooth, fudgy dessert. Now let's get started. You'll only need these 4 simple ingredients to make this dessert. I'm gonna take 8 egg yolks and add them to my blender. I know this seems like a lot of yolks, but this brigadeiro is extremely rich and decadent. I'll leave a link below of some simple recipes that you can use with the remaining egg whites. Once that's all in, add a can of evaporated milk and 2 cans of condensed milk. This brigadeiro serves up to 15 people and also makes the most indulgent filling for cakes, so keep that in mind. Lastly, add the cocoa powder to the mixture and you're gonna blend all of this together. For those of you new to my channel, welcome. I post quick videos weekly, always with a unique twist to them. Be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you won't miss out. You're next gonna take either an 8-inch cake pan or this bundt pan and you wanna grease it all over generously with some butter. And then I'm gonna be sprinkling the butter with some granulated sugar. This will ensure that this is the ultimate non-stick and will leave a nice light glaze to this dessert. Remove any of the excess sugar and pour all of that chocolate mixture into the prepared pan. Lastly, place the pan into a larger size pan that's filled with some hot water. Cover this brigadeiro with some foil and place this into a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Once it's ready, carefully remove it from the oven and uncover this chocolate goodness. Your house, you guys, will smell so heavenly, similar to a chocolate factory. The brigadeiro will have a slight jiggle if you tap the pan. You want to allow this to cool, then place it into your fridge for at least 6 hours, if not overnight. So plan accordingly, make this the day before because once this chills, it will fully set up. To remove this, simply just loosen it a bit with the rubber spatula along the edges. Place a plate over the top and flip it on over. Give it a firm shake a few times and this irresistible dessert is ready to enjoy. It is extremely fudgy. Nobody will ever know that it's made with all those egg yolks. They'll wonder how the heck is this so rich. Spread this in between cake layers for the perfect filling or serve this with some fresh berries. This is a Brazilian dessert which actually translates to truffles.